No shit. Someone's got to have some balls to be doing that. Good morning. You know that mountain that I told you about? This is not going to be fun. I wonder if that was my minivan. VIP? Ben? Oh. Yes, me. Thank you. Nice day. Nice weather. Oh. Hello. Nice to meet you. We picked the right day. So after picking everyone up in the rain, we set on our 2-hour journey to the mountain. Right, so the lady has advised us to get a poncho or an umbrella because of, well, look at the rain. So I might buy a poncho. I'll keep the hat as an umbrella and buy a poncho. Poncho acquired. And then thankfully, it began to stop raining. And we have arrived at the first destination. Look at that, that is some powerful beast, that is. And we're now rocking the poncho. I feel Thai now. Wow, you can feel the water already, it's hitting you already. That is some powerful beast. Thank you. Huh? Wow, look at this. That is massive. The only problem with somewhere like this is you got to keep cleaning all the lenses because you just get water everywhere. But this is pretty epic. There's definitely nowhere to swim, but that is cool, right? So there's 7 of us in the group. There's 2 I think from Austria, and there's 4 girls from America. Well, I've left them behind up there somewhere, but we've come down to have a little look. We've got about half an hour here, so there's plenty of time to have a little walk around. I just wanted to get down, you know, like as far down as possible, just to have a look at everything really. I mean, there's another way back up there, it looks like. But yeah, danger, no swimming. No shit. Let's take a little walk up here and see what's up. Some nice views again, look. I'll tell you something as well, this poncho is pretty good. I mean, it was absolutely drenched back up there. So it's a good job I did buy it. These steps are huge. Right, this is pretty much at the bottom now. So we've got a nice little, I mean, can you call that a waterfall? It's falling and it's water. And then basically just runs off into the, what I assume then becomes a river. I don't know what the river name is. Now all the tourists have turned up. Let's go and have a look at these shops at the bottom. As with any tourist destination, you've got your souvenirs, some clothes and various things, and then there's just a couple of restaurants really, to be honest, and then some toilets. And oh my god, we've got dogs. Anyway, we can't eat here because we've already got a meal as part of the whole thing. So it was 1,500 Thai baht for the whole day, and you get a meal and some drinks and obviously the transfer and stuff. So it's not bad, which is about, I think it's about £36. There wasn't really much being sold there apart from your usual food, but our next thing was a 2-mile hike. And this wonderful lady was an excellent tour guide, explaining lots of different things along the path. We actually had a second tour guide with us who was more local to the area, so she could explain things in more detail. So we crossed this bridge.
Yeah.
Is it safe?
Yeah.
You told me about this one. You told me about the broken bridge.
You can swim.
Yeah, I believe you. So she was saying over there, that bridge, there used to be a bridge there, but it's now broken, and now we're going on this one. Wow, look at that. Long way down.
Let's go. Before those some people down there.
Go down there. Jump. There's some power coming down on that one. And look. That was pretty cool. I guess we go back to the walking now. We stopped off at a nice little village for some lovely, delicious food, had a little chat, and then it was on to the next stop. So now we have to change the car. We're leaving the minivan, and then we're getting probably what looks like a song tau, like what they have pretty much everywhere else in Thailand, from where I've been.
So 205 205 Okay. Meeting point, coffee shop and the toilet. You walk around by yourself.
And we are here. Look at that. So I think we get about half an hour here. But there's two of them, there's one at the other side. So we'll definitely take a look at that. But look at this, beautiful. All nice and green. Nice little waterfall feature there. And thankfully it's not raining. But to be fair, there's been no rain on this trip at all. It was literally just at the hotel this morning. Okay, first point is the King and the Queen. There's quite a few tourists here as well. There's not loads, to be fair, but it's quite a big complex. And also I've just realised the other one is not behind that one, it's opposite there. I couldn't see it because of that tree. I don't know how much I'm going to be able to get of this, but there's an absolutely amazing view over there. See if my pole reaches this height. Check this out. Might be able to get a better view over there. Okay, here is the view just over there, but before we go there, there's the king himself. So it's obviously a bit cloudy. Don't know how much we'll be able to see. But we are above the clouds, so sometimes that gives a good impression as well. Oh yeah, oh wow, oh wow. Look at that. We are so high. So this is the tallest point in Thailand. I don't think the cameras really do it justice, either this one or my iPhone, which is this clip. Because to me, it just feels so much further away than what it looks like on the screens. But obviously, it's a shame that it's all cloudy. It'd be nice if it was a clear blue sky day. But look, I mean look. We're literally at the same height as the clouds as they're moving. How cool is that? Right, two things. First of all, I assume these are the first things to get hit by lightning if it does lighten here. because we're obviously like kind of almost in some clouds, and the thunderstorms here are absolutely mad. But also, you can see the steps going all the way up there. So you're telling me somebody actually climbs up them like that? Someone's got to have some balls to be doing that. Not a bad little spot. I'm going to enjoy a little ice cream. We've got a few minutes left and then we're heading to somewhere else. I think it's like a market, I'm not quite sure. There's a few other things still to come, I think. It's all a bit of a mess, so we'll find out soon. But turns out I was wrong. This is the staircase to the highest point. So unfortunately there isn't actually a view at the highest point in Thailand. It's again just like another walkway with various things on the way. There's not actually much there, to be fair. But we then did head down to the little market where I bought a little sweet something. We have come to this market, although a lot of it's closed. So I don't even know if I can get anything really, because if it's all like souvenirs, I don't really want anything like that because I've been travelling around so much. Well, if it's food, maybe we can get something. Hello. Okay, thank you. They all kind of sell the same stuff. And to me as well, it looks quite expensive. I was just looking at the price of the nuts, look. 250, 500, 550. I mean, that's like £3 for a little bag of them. No, it's okay. Okay, thank you. Pistachio nuts. It's like £2.50. I'm sure you can get a bigger bag than that in England for less.
Okay.
That's okay, thank you. Yeah, people back home in England, right? Tell me if I'm being right or wrong here, because I'm sure I remember going to like Lidl and Aldi and that, and getting a big bag of like pistachios, and I'm sure there was only like less than £2. But we are supporting the local economy. 100 Thai baht gets me a load of fruit. So we'll try these later on. Unfortunately, my friends, I couldn't eat these on the camera. I actually ate these off camera, just walking around and stuff. But now there's ants all over them, so I'm definitely not eating them now. But they are very, very sweet. So if you do want to buy some, I recommend them if you like sweet stuff. But I'm going to wash these ants off now. And I'll see you in the next video where we are going to Chiang Rai.